Hello everyone, my name is Purvang Joshi and in this video I'm going to explain you how to serve your Angular app and how to build your Angular app, both of them using the Angular CLI. Here I have a ready-made project which shows list of Indian superheroes, basically the list of Indian sports stars, and make sure that you have the Angular CLI for sure. So this whole project has been developed using the Angular CLI under Angular 4. So to start off with the serve command, what I will do is I will go to the terminal, integrated terminal of VS Code, and I will type ng serve. Now when I do ng serve, let's see what it does. Okay, so ng live development server is listening on localhost 4200. So it'll run my application on localhost 4200. It is building modules. So let's wait until everything gets compiled and then we can go and open up our application in the browser. So you can see that our application has been compiled using the webpack, and 5 bundles have been made: polyfills bundle, main bundle, styles bundle, vendor bundle, and inline bundle. So let's go to browser and go to localhost 4200, and here you can see that we have our app up and running. I have some list of heroes, and when I click on them it leads me to other page using Angular routing. We're not discussing that right now. So I'll show you one more command of ng-serve. Let me close this one. I'll stop this one, clear the screen. Now, just in case if I don't want to go and open the browser by myself because I'm so lazy to open it up, I have the command ng-serve -o, that's for open, and when I run this command, it'll do everything same as ng-serve, but additionally it'll open up the application in the browser for me. So that's so much of work being reduced. Not really. Alright, so it'll open up the application in the browser and like that. Now it works the same, right? Now what if I want to run my application on some other port, let's say 1811 and not 4200? For that I have command, I'll clear the screen, ng-serve -port and then the port number on which I want to run my application and -o. So this will run my application on port number 1811 instead of port number 4200, and since I have added the flag -o, it'll open the application by itself, and you can see that now it is running on localhost 1811. Now let's wait until it gets loaded. Alright, so it's running now. Everything's working fine. Now if I go to the developer tools F12 and I'm in my network tab, so now when I hit refresh, you can see that some 4 MB is transferred. Now this is just a basic simple application, so 4 MB is not that big of a size, but we can still reduce that. Now make sure that this application right now is running under the development build. So the build is running in memory. So now I have one more command. I'll stop this one and I will do ng-serve -prod -o. I'll make it run on port number 4200 only. So now this command will run my application under the production environment. So let's see what happens when I fire this command. So you can see that it is telling me that this is a simple server for use in testing or debugging Angular applications locally. It hasn't been reviewed for security issues. Do not use it for production use. Alright, so it's just a simple warning, but since we're experimenting to know what happens when we run our application in the production environment, we're using the -- prod flag. So since it's a production build, it is building in memory, and since it's a production build, it is taking some more time than the usual serve command. And now it's done, so I can go and see my app is still running. But now if I go to my network tab and if I hit refresh, you can see that my app size is reduced to just 316 KB. So you can see that the size difference is a lot. Alright, so now how to build your application. Now to build your application, up until now Webpack was building all of these bundles in memory. Now what if we want to deploy our application to some production environment? For that we have command as well. So for this we are going to do ng build, and I will do ng build. So this will create a new folder named dist in my Explorer, and the dist folder will have all of the bundles that I can deploy to my production environment. So let's wait until it gets done. And mind you, if I already have a dist folder, if I have already run the command ng build previously, the old folder will get deleted and a new folder will get created. So you can see that inside my dist folder I have my main bundle, I have my polyfills, I have my styles, I have my vendor bundle, I have my index.html, I have a favicon, and I have assets. The main bundle will have all of our code. Now this is not really how we might have written the code, but this is how it has compiled it into the bundle. It will have everything which I had written in my TS files, in my Angular files. It has some hero detail component, it has some hero list component, a hero guard service, and so on. But notably, you can see that the size of my vendor bundle here is 3.22 MB. Now this is not the correct size which I might want to be deployed to my production environment. So what to do? So for that I will explain to you in the next video.